Breaking moment. Well, the sea just turned into a battlefield. The location? The world's most sensitive oil choke point, the Strait of Hormuz. And what just happened here, it could change everything. Ladies and gentlemen, a United States Navy warship, it was cutting through the tense water. Warnings already issued, eyes locked, and then missiles incoming. Well, Iran has made a shocking claim. Again, through Fars news agency, Tehran says it launched a missile strike on the US warship, though not one, but two missiles. You know what the target was? A US Navy vessel near Jask, basically a region already on the edge and now pushed to the brink. Now, let me tell you why did this happen. Iran says the ship ignored warning issued by the very powerful, the IRGC, and that, according to them, triggered the strike. But here's the biggest shock. If this claim holds true, well, the ceasefire is over, right? Finished, all collapse. And now, here's a response from Washington, from the very top. Mr. Trump, he has now reacted. Orders have been issued, very clear, very direct. The US Navy is to strike Iranian warship. Well, this is how escalation begins, right? One strike, one response, and suddenly an entire region stands on the edge of war. But here's where the story takes a U-turn, because this didn't just happen in isolation. This moment collided with something much, much bigger. Just hours before the alleged strike, Mr. Trump announced a bold new mission. The name of the mission is Project Freedom. Well, let me explain this project to you. A massive US operation with just one goal. The goal to escort stranded ships safely through the Strait of Hormuz, which is blocked by Iran right now. And it matters because right now ships, they are stuck. Trade is choked and oil routes are under a lot of threat. And the United States wants to break that deadlock now. Well, the plan, that's huge. According to the United States Central Command, this is not just a small escort mission. Not at all, it's US. How can it be? We are talking about 15,000 troops and that too over 100 aircraft, warships and drones. A full military presence basically. But Iran is not backing down. Not even an inch. Tehran has issued a direct warning. No US military operations will be allowed in the Strait of Hormuz. Yes. Let that sink in for now. The United States says that it will enter. Iran says it will block. This is collision course basically. So you know what we are watching right now is a defense move or a beginning of a larger war. That's the real question right now, because here's the reality. Let's face it. The Strait of Hormuz, it is not just water. It's the artery of the global oil supply chain. Any conflict here, it does not stay here. It spreads to the markets, economies, and nations far beyond the Middle East. And now, here's the final question, ladies and gentlemen. If missiles have already been fired and orders for retaliation, they are already given, then how far are we from the point of no return?